Hi everybody, Paul from Traveling to Paradise Cruiser with Teana, and we're here to show you the setup of our new Berkey, Travel Berkey. We have the new Travel Berkey. Teana bought it for us for our motorhome, and we're going to use it right here during the COVID-19, right? So this is our COVID-19 Travel Berkey. What did it cost? It was about
Yeah, a little over 3 with all the stuff.
And we bought the extra filters, and I'm going to show you how to put it all together. And the parts and pieces you're going to get in the package. You're going to get a rubber gasket that looks like this, and you're going to get a spout, and the spout will be in the package, and you put a washer on it, on the back side of it, and then you put it through, and then you put a bolt, so it'll look like this on the inside.
Washer and a bolt. Washer and a nut.
Washer and a nut. And the handle goes on the top, the knob goes on the top of that. And there's a screw that goes on the bottom. That's pretty self-explanatory, you can't really mess that up. The next thing you want to do is you want to rinse your Berkeys out, get all the dust and sediment out of it. I'm going to do a separate video, or I'll put it at the other end, of how to prime your filters. It comes with 2 filters, and then we have the fluoride filters. These are the extra filters. They don't quite last as long as these, but they all have to be primed. So to put it together, you first of course put the spout in. Then you take your filter after you have primed it, and there's a washer that comes with it. Looks like that. Looks so when you look at them, they look like this, and that goes on just like that. And then it's going to go through the hole. And then there's a wing nut. And you want to put your wing nuts on it. The washer keeps it from leaking. Now what this rubber urethane gasket is for is so when it sits on the counter, it sits in like so it doesn't slide on your countertop or slide across the countertop.
Here.
You don't want to over tighten these, but you want to tighten them enough to seal the gasket on the bottom of the filter.
That's. You're gonna need to wipe the bottom of that off when you're done.
Yes.
With a clean dishcloth. I have it over here.
We'll have our assistant come over here to wipe everything off.
No, I'll wipe it off over here before you follow it up.
Okay, so when you're all done, your Berkey with the filters should look like this, and on the inside it will look like this. And then what you can do is you can turn it upside down like this. These are your fluoride filters, and there's written on them, it shows flow and which way the flow goes. Now the flow is obviously going to be going into the lower container. So when you're looking at it, this is the top, and the flow would go, the arrow would be pointing down. So you're going to, when you turn it upside down, your arrow is going to be facing up. And you want to be very careful when you put these on, and not to put them on too far. It says 8 turns, but I think we all know what they're trying to accomplish here is just not to strip the threads. You'll notice that they are nice and tight when they're on there, see? And then you take your Berkey, turn it over, and you set it right inside. You want to run the water through twice through your Berkey. We'll take it over here and put it under the faucet and fill it up. Okay, so first thing you want to do is take one of these, and you have a gasket that comes with it. You put that on the end so that when you put it up to the faucet, it doesn't leak. You want the water at a slow pace like so as to allow the water to stream out the filter. What you're effectively doing is we're going to purge both sets of filters. Wait till you start seeing it coming out the filter. Now we'll do the other two. Okay. So what you're going to do in these take out all the arsenic. Fluorine, arsenic. So
We have fluoride.
make sure you take the caps out first. Same thing. You want to pay attention to which way the water flows. Although they say to put it through both ways, I can't imagine why you want to put it through both ways. The water normally flows in the direction it flows. And that's how you know. You see the powder coming out there? So we'll do what they said, and that's to run it through both ways. Time to do this way. Okay, so ideally you want a solid head on your spigot to do your filters. First thing we want to do, you already got the lid on. She got the lid on. She got the spigot on here, inside, and there's a rubber gasket right here that comes all in the box. I'm going to bring one at a time over because they're a little wet. You got the dish pan over there. So this is the top. The top one goes. You'll see two holes in there like so. You're going to put the thing through there, just like so. You're going to, what's it say to screw them on? How many? Oh, excuse me. You're going to take and put a gasket on first. Gasket goes on here.
That's where the gasket goes on the bottom, too.
No.
No gasket on the bottom?
How many turns does that say?
This isn't, I haven't got that far today. Take the knob, take the large seal and wash over the third portion. The large sealer, right?
Yeah.
6 inches. It's installed.
Now at this point, what you want to do is you want to take your Berkey over to the sink. And put a little water in the bottom of it and make sure that your Berkey is working. And you can see clearly that it is. They suggest that you run a little water through it a couple times. And I'm going to dump this back out of here because I'm going to bring it back over here to the other side. So now you have your Berkey, you have your filters inside like so. Then on the back side you have two little studs, and these are your arsenic filters. And pay attention because there is a flow on it. See, it says flow, and then they screw right onto the bottom of it, just like so.
These are just an additional filter.
These are, as she said, just an additional filter.
But I don't want fluoride.
But we don't like fluoride.
Too much of it.
Too much of it. When you're all done, your Berkey should look like this. And on the inside you have two filters. Then you want to put your Berkey right back inside like so. And fill it up. And they say that you should run it a couple times through the water to make sure that the water comes out clear.
We're going to test it and let you know.
This is beautiful. This is called the Travel Berkey. It processes 1.5 gallons of water. So anyway, we're gonna take the Berkey over here to the sink and we're gonna fill it up. And I can hear it running, so I know we have a good filter system going there.
Well,
that is the Berkey system. Tina doesn't want me in her picture, but she looks good in the picture, I think.
to turn it on.
She wants me to turn it off. Yeah.
Before I wear the water, I'm about to look at it.
What do you think of your new Berkey?
I'll tell you when I get some water.
And they said it takes about an hour to an hour and 10 minutes the first time around for your Berkey, so it should take probably about an hour every single time. And that's our assembly of our new Berkey, our new Travel Berkey from Travel into Paradise Cruiser. We're looking forward to lots of great gallons of water in our new coach. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Leave your comments, good or bad.